In this video, we will learn how to make star rating in Excel sheet. So let's start this in my Excel sheet. I have here simple data, state, revenue, expense and star rating. So here I'm going to showing the star, here the 4 star, therefore I'm showing here the 4 star. Then 5 star, here showing the 5 star. So let's see how it's done. I use here the repeat function. I use here the is equal to, then I enter the repeat, then I use the double quote, then I use here the window logo key dot. Okay, then I select here the star, then I use here the double quote, comma, and select the star number. Okay, then bracket close and enter. That's it. Here you see the 4 star here showing here. Just drag down below and see all the star as per number. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.